So this guy comes into the shop at Strutmasters the other day, right? And he says, guys, I'm wondering if I bring a truck in, could you put airbags on it? You know, you are the suspension masters. And they said, of course we can. But they didn't ask him what kind of truck. So he shows up with this 66, 65 Ford truck. Actually, I think it's a 65 because it still has a straight axle under it, right? And he wants to keep everything like it is. The 9-inch in the back, the straight axle in the front. He even wants to keep this fashionable patina because we all know patina is in right now. This guy's gone to another level though. He's got patina complete with paint, complete with clearing, with the clear coat coming off, right? So they said, of course. They pulled the bed off the truck, right? And they decide to do a totally bolt-in frame rail setup. It's a parallel 4-link. It's got a Watts link. DOM 1.25" tubing for the bars. But here's the crazy thing. The guy insisted on a total bolt-in setup because he said one day, I might restore the truck and I want to put it back to original. So they said, okay, we can help you out with that. They got an 8-gallon tank, 2 compressors, all kinds of switches and solenoids, and double bellows bags. Put this thing on the dirt, Larry. Go ahead. Larry's one of the guys who did it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. That's the back. Give me the front. There you go. Look at that, huh? Not only is the truck cool, but it makes the rust cool too. So they're gonna dial it in. This is a little R&D project. They might make some more kits. I'm trying to talk to them about making a couple. Why not? It's a couple bucks you can make making 4-link kits. Everybody does it nowadays. It's what all the cool kids are doing. So if you want to see it, go to strutmaster.com, check it out, and we can put all the information you need up there. If you want to contact them, just make sure you bring the truck with lots of rust. I'm Lou Santiago.